now? Okay. All right, so today, I want to show you how to add one thing into your workout routine so that you can get some good balance coordination exercise in. Let's say you've been on your Peloton, or you've been in your spin class, or you went and did your weights, or you did your treadmill, you did your yoga, I don't care what you did. All of it, all good. But you need something that demands you to be able to be challenged with what I call transitional movements. That's where people get injured in life, is usually a transitional movement, going from one movement to another, which you do all the time, and you don't think about it. You go up on a step, you go down steps, you get in and out of the car, da-da-da. So, try this, very simple. You can start off, you could be doing even your push-ups or something, and you finish your push-up, you're gonna come up, make it easy, put a foot up, just climb over it, slide down, maybe you'll do a little jumping jack, whatever, you can add it into your dirt stuff. Then you're gonna come up, do other leg, climb over. You're gonna feel stupid if you're old like me. Maybe you feel dumb if you're young. But then you're gonna try to make it more and more smooth. You're gonna try to come up and go over and maybe not hit your butt as much. Then you do some little jig here. You come up, and then over time, this is one of the most important things you can do in your workout, because a gym is not reality. This brings a little more reality.